Who does he think he's fooling? Helpless little lad. He gives me the shivers. Picking on that poor little helpless little boy. Yes, poor little helpless boy. Oh, 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 oh.
You told me a lie, Ka. You said I could trust you.
It's like you said. You can trust anyone. If I never see that skinny little shrimp again, it will be too soon. Oh, my sacroiliac.